So, you know, I like to get deals on things, and I do like to brag on the deals I get. Not necessarily on the money I spend, as for, oh, I spent top dollar on this. I don't really like to brag on things like that. I like to brag on the deals I get. So, I got a hookup. I was helping a guy, and he gave me a deal on this little home workout set. So, I can, I can come over here now, at the house. He give me a nice little setting. So, my little home gym, and you probably wonder, like, it's a nice little setup too. And you probably think, I paid a whole lot for this. I did. I want to brag on my deal. This was blessed. The guy said, I tell you what, if you buy it as a set, I give you a better deal. I said, okay. Well, how much you want for the set? He said, I tell you what, I like you. Give me $10 for the bar, $10 for the bench. I paid $20. This is easily like new, over $300 set up. And paid $20 for it. It's in good condition too. I'm gonna give you more of an up close one. It's in good condition. It works, let up, got its little braces and pulleys on it. Got some good weights, good Olympic weights. Well, set up. So, like I say, I love to brag about the deals I get. So, to me, that's one of my good deals. And especially during this time of quarantine, that way I can still work out and stay healthy and, keep things going for myself, But I like to brag on the deals I met, man. Growing up, my family used to take me on yard sales and rummage sales, and we used to go under the shade trees on the Saturday mornings, and I used to be able to get little toys and good jeans and stuff like that. I remember that, man, and I enjoyed it, like literally. And to this day, I like going to swap meets, flea markets. I like, selling and buying things at yard sales and house sales and things of that nature. I enjoy it. So you never know what type of deals you get when you network yourself. So think outside the box. Even when you're looking for your welding equipment, you'll be surprised on what kind of deals you'll get from someone actually selling something, or like your hustle and say, hey, I want to bless you. So get your hog on.